Hello guys, Will Johnson back again for another new home tour. Today we're back in the Riceland community. The Riceland community, as you can see behind me, I'm on the first model strip, and behind me is the brand new model home by Highland Homes. And right there, Perry Homes is building one. So this model home is the biggest product that they have here in Highland Homes. This is a 5-bedroom house, very large. I believe it's somewhere in the 500,000s, close to 600, if not low 600s. And this house is very impressive, of course, to say the least. It's their biggest square footage. It has a bathroom for every bedroom. So this is a special one. You'll really like this one. Remember, the Riceland community is here in Montgomery, Texas, and is their master plan community here that's going to take a while. They're estimating about 20 years or so to be completely finished, and it has a lot of perks, a lot of parks, and a lot of other things that they're going to have, shopping centers and things of that nature. So that's just to say a little bit about it, but without further ado, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to keep up with my content and the things that's going on in the future. Without further ado, I'll show you guys what's inside the house. All right, when you first enter, really high ceilings, like 25 feet high. Of course, all doors are 8 foot tall. Gives you that wow effect like you're living in a palace. First bedroom. Nicely staged. Again, guys, these first bedrooms, if you have the space, it's good for visitors. Sometimes, even if it's not a house like this, the first bedroom will have its own bathroom close by. And they have a mini walk-in closet. Immediately to the right here, you got the office. Same thing, 8 foot doors. Half bath there for guests. Downstairs theater room. Hallway closet. Open space in the living room, in the kitchen. I'm surprised they didn't put any chandelier hanging there over the island. Cabinets go all the way up, light in the cabinets. Now these doors are a lot higher than 8 foot. These are like 10-foot doors. Very, very nice. Very, very nice, beautifully staged. Built-in oven and microwave. Closet, kitchen, pantry. Just walk in. There's a washroom where you can leave your coats hung up because it's coming off of the garage. You can have a personal wash sink. So this is coming through the garage. Which just is where the office is, where they made it into an office. But this would be, if I'm not mistaken, not just a 3-car garage, but a 3.5 car garage. Here's the half space. It goes straight outside there. This is good for if someone really wanted the space and they were gonna use it, and maybe the half a garage area, they make it into like a home gym or something. Or if they had a motorcycle or something like that, of course. All right, let's go to the master bedroom. So much more to explore. It's nice to be able to see the kitchen from this little angle here. All right, master bedroom. All right, master bathroom. There's the standalone tub. There's the double vanity sink. And there's the shower right there by the tub. Very luxurious feeling. And here's the master closet, walk in. Good for when your wife wants to buy a lot of stuff. Store a lot of stuff. There's the old toilet room. Even it has an 8-foot door. All right, guys, that's everything downstairs. So let's head upstairs before we go out to the backyard. That's where you first walk in. Nice overlook of the living room. And this camera doesn't justify the view. All right, here's the game room. Pretty big size game room. All right, bedroom number 1. Set up for a kid's room, beautifully staged. You got their own walk-in closet here. Also the bathroom. Tile going all the way up to the ceiling. And up here, as you can see, they have normal doors. They're not 8 foot high. And standing up here, the ceiling up here is about 9 foot, 9.5 foot. So it's higher than a typical 8 foot ceiling, but not as high. All right. So many choices where to go. Next room. Again, nicely staged. You guys, I know this home tour is a little longer because the house is so big. All right, let's look at the size of the closet. Still a walk-in. There's the restroom. There we go. Tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Linen closet. Store your blankets. And even upstairs here, as you can see, there's a half bath. In case someone, I guess, needs to use it and you don't have to go in the bedroom. Here, which I believe is the last bedroom. There's 2 downstairs, 3 up here. Nice. Another walk-in closet. Well guys, that is it for the upstairs. Now let's go downstairs. So that makes this house a 5-bedroom. And it's a bathroom in every bedroom. So that makes it a 5-bedroom, 5 2.5 bathroom, because it was 2 half baths in here. All right. Now, when we come out here, we have the outdoor kitchen, refrigerator and the grill. They have surround sound out here. Long porch. All right, guys, that's about it. It's a decent sized yard. As you guys can see. Well, there you have it. Another nice new home tour here in the Riceland community by the luxurious Highland Homes. So this is the biggest house that I've saw in this community. Before this, it seems Perry Homes had the biggest home, but now with this, definitely Highland Home has it, and the price point is surprisingly for the amount of square footage that you have, guys. So Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, keep up my content and what's going on. Guys, also, if you're looking for any deal like this, please remember to give me a call, give me a ring. My contact information is on the bottom of the screen somewhere here. Guys, remember, there's always deals here and there. Interest rate determines a lot on what your monthly payments are going to be. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this. This was nice. Again, the nicest home that I saw in this community. And remember, the Montbeverly is the top rated school district here in Chambers County. So you'll have that, and you'll have Eagle Point right next to you in this area, and you'll have everything that Riceland has to offer with the new shops and the things that they're bringing to the area. This one was nicely staged. As of any new home build, is a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want because you're the first person with the house. So some people really like that. Some people like to buy a house that's already staged and already done. So they like to buy a resale house. But this is very, very nice. Kind of tough to beat with the quality here that Highlands has brought with this one. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, keep up my content, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.